Hi everyone, we have Angela Woodburn, our Senior Product Development Manager from our Beauty Lab, talking to us about our new Calm range. Hi Angela.
Hi Fion, hi everyone.
What's the product development process? How long did it take you to work on this new Calm range?
Development of the Calm range started way over 2 years ago. Our product development process is very thorough and it's insight driven. The Calm range replaces our Comfort Plus range after we identified the need to revitalise the range. We explored future trends in sensitive skincare, researched high-performing ingredients, and studied competitors' offerings and listened closely to our customers. Our goal was to elevate the formulations, refresh the look of the range, making it more versatile and appealing. While the range is perfect for sensitive skin, it's now designed for anyone looking for gentle yet effective skincare.
What's the design inspiration behind the range? How did you work on the packaging?
Well, once the name Calm was chosen for the range, the design needed to feel soothing, elegant, and look beautiful in any bathroom. With sensitive and reactive skin at the heart of this range, we briefed our design team to create packaging that visually embodies calm. After many iterations, we landed on the look that both is beautiful and functional. Just as importantly, we built in sustainable elements. The jars and bottles have 50% PCR and the tube is 40% sugarcane. The result is packaging that's not only stunning, but also kinder to the planet.
What do you love about the ingredients from the new Calm range?
A lot of thought and countless trials went into creating the formulas that we are really proud of. We are very selective with our ingredients, choosing those that deliver real benefits. Ceramides were chosen as the hero because healthy skin starts with a healthy, strong skin barrier. We then combined this with oat extract, Defensal Plus, and marshmallow root extract. Each ingredient was carefully selected to support sensitive skin, whether it's everyday concern that you have with your skin or something that flares up just from time to time. The texture was also key. The gel cream cleanser just feels really gentle on the skin and leaves the skin feeling calm, refreshed and cleansed.
I just love the texture. It's so silky and nourishing, very gentle.
And then the toning lotion, it's easy to use, it's in a convenient spray. I love that it can be used as part of your daily skincare regime, or just if your skin's feeling a bit reactive during the day, you can use it just throughout the day as well. Then we've got the day cream. This has a beautiful soft bouncy texture that feels nourishing and really calming on the skin. It also has the addition of hyaluronic acid in it, which delivers a lovely lasting hydration.
Amazing.
Yeah, really beautiful. The night cream is rich and it's luxurious and it's like a cushiony pillow. It has the extra ingredients of beta-glucan, squalane, shea butter and the vitamin E. It works overnight to remove a compromised skin barrier while helping the skin reduce redness and irritation.
Thank you, Angela, for taking us through the new Calm range, and we can't wait for you to try it.
Oh, we know you love it just as much as we do.